सिंध की तहजीब हमेशा इंसानियत का दर्ज देती है। कराची ऐसा शहर है जहां मुल्क भर से लोग आना चाहते हैं। वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह कहते हैं कि कराची की हर गली, हर इमारत मुनफरिद हैसियत रखती है। हमें अपनी सरजमीन पर फ़ख्र करना चाहिए। सूबे की तरक्की, खुशहाली के लिए कोशा हैं।
Future generations, our younger generation, remembers and knows what this land of Sindh and what this city of Karachi is about. Karachi is not just a city. Karachi is an idea. Karachi is an opportunity with its diversity and resilience. Karachi is like no other city in the world. I've been to several places. No city in the world has a history like Karachi. It has, no city in the world has grown at the pace that Karachi has. Unfortunately, we've not been able to pace the development of infrastructure, but there are problems with that, and we can go on talking about that for ages. But this is a city when everybody wants to come in and nobody wants to leave.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।